Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're exploring a product that's truly a gem in the lipstick world. A bold, luxurious choice for those who crave rich color and long-lasting comfort. We're talking about the Chanel Rouge Allure L'Extrait Lipstick in the shade 822 Rose Supreme. It's not just a lipstick, it's a statement of elegance and luxury. And today we'll dive deep into its features and performance. Let's start with what this lipstick promises. First off, it comes in a refillable format, which is always a win for sustainability. The product is designed to deliver high-intensity color while keeping your lips nourished and hydrated for up to 12 hours. Thanks to its blend of nourishing waxes and ume flower extract, it's meant to keep your lips moisturized, comfortable, and protected for a solid 10 hours. No touch-ups needed. Now, when it comes to performance, let's get into the real-world usage. I've been using this lipstick for a few days now, and I've really been impressed by how easy it is to wear. The formula glides on smoothly with a satin finish that gives your lips a polished, sophisticated look without feeling too heavy or sticky. The color payoff is phenomenal. A vibrant, rosy pink that's both bold and wearable for everyday looks or special occasions. What I really appreciate is the hydration it delivers. There's a noticeable difference in the texture of my lips after wearing this for hours. No dryness, no cracks. In fact, it almost feels like a lip balm with the added bonus of intense color. I've worn it through a full day of meetings, meals, and coffee breaks, and while I did need a little touch-up after lunch, the lipstick held up better than most formulas I've tried. Of course, every product has its pros and cons. On the positive side, the Chanel Rouge Allure L'Extrait provides a rich, long-lasting color that doesn't fade or feather throughout the day. The moisturizing effect is a major plus, and the sleek, refillable packaging is both elegant and eco-friendly, which is always appreciated. The formula is gentle and nourishing, perfect for those with dry lips who still want a full, high-impact color. On the downside, it is a bit on the pricier side. At its price point, it might not be an everyday lipstick for everyone. But if you're looking for luxury and longevity in one sleek package, this could be well worth the investment. The refills, though, are a nice touch for reducing waste and maintaining a premium experience without the need to repurchase the entire case. Is it worth the price? If you're a fan of luxury beauty and looking for a lipstick that offers both performance and comfort, yes, I believe the Chanel Rouge Allure L'Extrait Lipstick justifies its price tag. The formula is top tier, and the comfort level is exceptional for such a high-impact product. Comparing this to similar luxury lipsticks, like Tom Ford or Dior, Chanel really stands out with its hydration properties. Many luxury lipsticks can be drying, but the blend of nourishing ingredients in the Rose Supreme keeps your lips feeling soft all day. In terms of packaging, it's sleek and sophisticated, reflecting the Chanel brand's signature high-end appeal. I love the idea of a refillable lipstick. It's sustainable, stylish, and practical, reducing unnecessary waste while still maintaining a luxe experience. If you're considering alternatives at a lower price point, there are other hydrating lipsticks with rich pigments that might suit your budget. Some brands like Charlotte Tilbury or NARS offer similar color payoff and comfort, though they might not have the same luxurious feel or refillable design. So, would I recommend the Chanel Rouge Allure L'Extrait Lipstick? If you're someone who loves indulging in high-quality, luxurious beauty products and you're ready to treat yourself, absolutely. Its combination of long-lasting color, hydration, and comfort makes it a standout in the high-end lipstick market. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Chanel Rouge Allure L'Extrait or any other shades in this collection, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.